aren't new to my channel, my name is Ashley, and y'all get ready to see some really cool fall finds at Dollar Tree. So as soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree has strategically placed all of the fall festive items that you can purchase to place in your home this fall right in the front. Let's take a look around the rest of the store so that you can see all of these great items. They have some wooden pieces that will look really nice on your fireplace, and if you come on over, you can see that they have some nice glassware as well. So they have owls and pumpkins, and if you look a little further over, you'll see they have some beautiful wooden pumpkins with monogram letters on them. They also have garland that you could use around your home and some other small pillow pieces as well. Here we see other types of pumpkins, and I most definitely like all of these signs here that you can use to hang on the outside of your door that would be helpful in greeting those when they come over to visit you in the fall. Here, if you come over to what is generally the flower section in Dollar Tree, they have all the fall festive flowers out so that you can pick some and put some arrangements together to put them in a nice space to sit on maybe a kitchen table, somewhere in your living room, or in other places around your home. This section is fairly new to me, is the Dollar Tree Plus section, where they have items that are a little more on the high end. Here, they have some nice wooden sets that'll run you about $5 at your local Dollar Tree. I most notably like this section because I love the decor that they have here. I would use those wooden pieces outside of my home on the front porch just so that company could see them and feel super welcome when they come over. Alright guys, Dollar Tree also had another assortment of beautiful flowers that you could use to create beautiful pieces, beautiful centerpieces, shall I say, in your home this fall. Please make sure you hit up your local Dollar Tree so you can check out this beautiful assortment of flowers that they had, you guys. They also had these really cool candle holders that would look great with one of those LED candles inside. I think it would give the illumination on the outside a brighter look, guys. And last but not least, I love this cute harvest jug at Dollar Tree. This is our last stop, guys. Someone set up the glassware so eloquently. Try this look in your home this fall. So the part that we all have been waiting for. Let's see what items I picked up from Dollar Tree, guys, and how I am going to decorate my home with these items. All right. So I'm just gonna start with the bag that's nearest to me. So I picked up this harvest jug, and I'm glad I picked this out of the bag first because, and if you guys hear a little yelling in the background, that's my little one trying to get into the room. But I picked up this item first because Dollar Tree has, of course, all their items are $1, but they also have this section, and I forget the name of it, but in that section they have things that are priced a little higher. And this beautiful fall jug here, which you did see in one of the clips before, it just says Hello Fall on the front. And stay tuned to see, guys, what I'm going to do with this cute little tin or jug. What is the name on here? Oh, harvest jug, so I was right. But stay tuned to see what it is that I do with this harvest jug downstairs in my home. The next item that we picked up from Dollar Tree was this beautiful candle holder here. It's really gorgeous, guys. It has some leaf accents in it, and it's a nice beautiful orange color, and I hope you guys can see that, but it looks really nice. I really like how the leaves are kind of offset and kind of lit up in there. It's really beautiful piece, guys. Really beautiful piece. The next item that I got from Dollar Tree were these matching, and I want to make sure I get the name right. Well, it just says Decor on the back, so I don't know what these are, but these will be great on any table. The only thing I see that I don't like so far is all of the glitter, guys. glitter is very hard to clean up, so please keep that in mind if you choose to purchase these. But on the front it just says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, guys, and it is basically embellished in gold glitter, and it has some beautiful corn pieces on the front there, and I'm so glad that the camera is focusing. So that's really beautiful, guys, and I bought 2 of these. Now let's see what else is in this bag. So the rest of those items I'm going to actually show you guys last what's in that bag. Okay, guys, so these were out. There were some beautiful flowers, and my sister kind of helped me with the color scheme, and they're basically just called Hot Bush Bouquet de Blonde. That's what it says on the tag. Bouquet de Blonde, whatever that means. But we have maple leaves here. This one's called Gerbera daisies. Forgive me if I don't say all this correctly. This one is called Aster, and this one is called Hot Bush. Like I said in the beginning, Hot Bush. So if you're interested in getting any of these, like I said, this is the maple leaves. These are the daisies, so beautiful, and then it adds like some depth in there. This is the Hot Bush, and this one is the Aster, and those are kind of like a plum color, if you will, but very, very beautiful. Next item we got here is going to be a tray, and it's just your regular average pumpkin tray that they did have the neutral color trays, and they also have this tray in orange. The reason why I picked this neutral color tray is because, and I'm trying to see if the light will, there we go. I picked the neutral color tray because most of the items downstairs in our home are in the brown cream family, so I wanted to kind of stick with that and then add accent pieces on top to give everything a little color, make it pop and lift it a little bit more so that it's not too much, because my husband and I are both simplistic people and keep it simple. We won't add the stupid on there. The next item that I got from Dollar Tree was this really nice candle, and it is in French toast muffin, and it's a soy blend scented candle. It looks like this on top of it, if the camera will focus. I hope it did. And then they come in these mason jars. They were just $1. And oh my goodness, y'all, this smells like the French toast that I've been cooking for breakfast the past couple of weeks. It smells so good, and to be $1, guys, I mean, you can't beat that at all. Well, you can beat it free, but you know, you can't beat that. But the next item that I got from Dollar Tree, it is this nice, beautiful piece here, and it says, "Let our hearts be full of thanks and giving." And guys, not to be mushy or corny, but I have been seeing messages all around me to just be more thankful, be more grateful for so this right here really resonates with me. And you know, take this as a message to anyone who needs it. Like, you know, we're at a time in life where we are seeing so much going on in the world, so we just need to remember to, you know, let our hearts be full of thanks and giving, guys. So keep that in mind. But I really love this piece, and that's just a little close-up of it if you are interested in picking that up for yourselves at Dollar Tree. Alright guys, let's see what's next. We only have a few more items. The last item was these cute little pumpkins. They're kind of elongated, but they're orange, and they have a nice little accent bow on them that is brown. And funny thing is, I picked up the one with the A on it, but I got one with an A. I hope it focused so you guys can see that. I got one with a D on it, and I will save the best for last. I got one with an M on it. So my daughter, my husband, and I, we each get our own, and it's just gonna be so cute downstairs with how we put them together, y'all. Now, the last items that I did get from Dollar Tree, like I said, are going to be used in my bower knoll for some of the decorations. And since we are having it on the beach, I did pick up some shells. But apparently, you know, shells are fall decor because they were out and about heavy in Dollar Tree, y'all. So somebody comment down in the comments below and let me know, are shells a part of your home decor in the fall, or like how are you decorating your home in the fall time? Because I mean, in Georgia we really don't see shells much up here near the Atlanta area. Next thing I got was another thing of some plain white shells. Really, really cool, y'all, really cool. And the last thing that I picked up from Dollar Tree were, and I hope that I'm not gonna be sad because it looks like something may have actually busted. I don't know, but it's okay. So I picked up these seashells here in this cute mason jar container, and there were two different kinds of these. So there was this kind with the darker shells in them, so stinking cute. And it was this kind with some of the lighter shells in them, and they are so beautiful, and everything is gonna look so great on the table. So with all these shells and things being out, I guess they are a part of fall decor. So let me know how you would use shells in your fall decor. But the last items I got, guys, did not come from Dollar Tree. I went over to Joann's because I was looking for a few items to go in the kitchen to kind of decorate everything and make it look nice. And at Joann's, they have a lot on sale as well. They have some 40% and 50% sales off over there. So you guys go check Joann's out if you're interested in finding some more fall decor. But I was able to find these cute towels here to go in the kitchen, and they are just, you know, they have some squash on them. I want to say, yeah, it's pumpkin and squash, we can say. So I got two of them, so they match, and they're really pretty. They're just white with a hint of orange and some brown in there to, you know, set off all of the beautiful fall decor pieces. So you guys are going to see me put all this stuff together downstairs, which is not a lot. I am really a minimalist, so stick around for that part to see how everything falls together so lovely and so simplistically, we'll say, guys. Stay tuned. Hope that you enjoyed this video, y'all. Please comment down below and let me know, what items do you like to pick up from Dollar Tree? How often do you go to Dollar Tree to get decor? Because I saw a lot of cool things in there, and I think that I'll actually be going back to Dollar Tree very, very soon to pick up some dishes and, you know, some other cool items that they actually had in there. So comment down in the comments below and let me know, what are your favorite items to pick up at Dollar Tree. But like I said, guys, that's the end of this video. Please, please, please give me a like, because likes are free. They're free, you know, they don't cost anybody anything. So like this video if you actually did like it. Leave a comment for me, like I said, and let me know, what things do you pick up from Dollar Tree? Do you decorate your home for fall? Will you start decorating your home for fall? Or do you even care that it's fall? After you leave a comment, guys, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the Cool, Calm, and Crawford family and become a part of the cutie crew, y'all. Y'all gotta become a part of the cutie crew, guys. And I had to kind of slow down right there because I always get tongue-tied when I say too many C's, like Cool, Calm, Crawford, cutie crew. Y'all got it? But yeah, after you hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you'll see when I post new videos, y'all. So again, that was it for the video. Thank you guys so much. And wait. I know y'all was not about to leave and let me forget to say what I gotta say. What we supposed to be doing this week, y'all? Staying what? No, that's not loud enough. Okay. We're supposed to be staying cool, calm, and Crawford, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all having a great week this week, guys. Bye.